You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing medical term, the name of this condition. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from medicine like this, that is hardly... it's impossible to pronounce. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. British English pronunciation: rheumatoid arthritis. Now the Americans, the US pronunciation is generally rheumatoid, that's same. Arthritis would the Americans say, with a flap T that sounds like a D. So rheumatoid arthritis, or American pronunciation rheumatoid arthritis, but it's similar, very similar, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.